Students, today I will start from Python statements. Uh, in Python statements, first of all, I will tell you definition of statements, type of statements such as simple statement, empty statement, compound statement, etc. with the example. Now let us see the definition. Instructions are written in the source code for execution are called statement. It means such instructions that is executed by the system is known as statements. The another definition of statement is statements are the instructions given to the computer to perform any kind of action. It means any instruction that performs some task, that do some actions is known as statement. Those statements that does not do nothing, it comes into another category. Thus there are different types of statement in the Python. Programming languages like assignment statement, conditional statement and looping statement. I mean, in the Python programming languages, statements are classified as empty statement, simple statement and compound statement. Here I have told you any sentence, any instruction that performs some action, I means after reading interpreter do some task is known as statements. In a program, statements may be executed by three ways: sequentially, selectively and iteratively. Sequentially means the programs are executed in the same way as written. It means lines of statements of program are executed by the system as they are written. Order of statements that is written is same as the order of statements is executed by the system. Selectively means some portion of the program is executed and some portion of the program is skipped, that is known as selectively. Next, iteratively means repeating some portion of the program is executed again and again till the condition is true. It means in a program statements may be executed either sequentially or selectively or iteratively. The sequential execution is the simplest. Selectively and iteratively are difficult than complex than the sequential. But complex situations, complex problems are handled by the selective statements or iterative statements. The nature of the problem decides which type of execution involved in the program. If there is a complex problem, complex situation, then iterative and selective statements are used for that. Every programming language provides constructs to support sequence, selection, iteration. Not in Python. It is for every programming language, I mean C, C++ and Java. They provide some facilities, some methods so that statements can be implemented either in sequential way or in selection way or in iteration way. In Python, statements can be one of the following. First, statements may be empty, statements may be simple and statements may be compound. In another way we can say Python statements are classified as empty statement, simple statement and compound statements. Now let us study one by one. First we will study about the empty statements. Those statements that perform nothing, those statements that do not perform any action are known as empty statements. In Python, the simplest statement is the empty statement, and an empty statement is the pass statement. In Python programming language, the pass statement is defined as the empty statement. As well as interpreter encounters pass, it does nothing and moves to the next statement. Now let us see simple statement. Python simple statement is comprised in a single line. It means any statement that is in a single line is known as simple statements. The multi-line statements created above are also simple statements because they can be written in a single line. For example, a is equal to 56, x is equal to 7.9, print a. There are three print a, print x. There are four statements. All four statements are the example of single statements, so these are also known as simple statements. In a very simple way, simple statements are those that is in only single line. If instructions are written in one line, in other way, one line instruction is known as the simple statement. Simply, as you are seeing in the example, a is equal to 56, it is an example of simple statement because it is one line. Print a, example of simple statement because it is in one line. As another point that we need to think, can we have multiple statements in a single line? Then what will be the answer? We can use semicolon. If you are going to write multiple statements in a single line, you can write it. How will you write it? You can use semicolon to write a multiple statement in a single line. For example, x is equal to 88, semicolon, a is equal to 67.90, semicolon, p is equal to double inverted comma ram. This is the example of multiple statements in a single line. Third, compound statement. Compound statements contains group of statements. The compound statements generally span across multiple lines. In another way, we can say a compound statement represents a group of statements executed as a single unit, as a unit. This is the most appropriate definition of the compound statement. A compound statement represents a group of statements that is executed as a unit. It means when we write the statements in such a way that can be grouped as a unit, as a single unit, then that group of statements are known as compound statements. Compound statements means a group of statements. It is a collection of more than one statement, and collection of all the statements are treated as a unit, as a single unit. When we write this type, then it is known as compound statements. The example of compound statements are if statement, looping statement, functions, etc. These are the example. Now let us see the important points. Every compound statement of Python has, how do we, this statement says that how do we write the compound, how do you make the compound statement. A compound statement has two important features. First, a header. Every compound statement has header. What is header? It is the first line of statement and has a colon sign at the end. If a statement is the initial statement and has a colon sign, then it is known as header of the compound statement. Next feature, indentation body below the header. Indentation, what do you mean by the indentation? Indentation is used to make the grouping of the statements in the Python. An indentation body below the header means all the statements below the header must be right side by the same white space. I am going to explain it with the given example. Greeting semicolon, there is in next line with the space the greeting first line of the statement and the below statement print hi. These two lines are not in the same column, they are in a different column. Because they are in different column, the different distance between these two columns is done by the white spaces, and this is known as indentation. Print hi, print I am fine. Print hi, print I am fine, these two statements are in the same line, however greeting in same column, however greeting in a different column. There is a difference between the greeting and print spaces, the difference of the spaces, and this spaces is known as the indentation, and indentation is used to make the grouping of the statements. Now I am going to explain you indentation in more precise way. Most of the programming languages like C, C++, Java uses curly brackets to define a block of code. In Python uses indentation to define a block of code. For white space is used for the indentation in the Python. How do we make the indentation? Indentations are made by using the white spaces. All the statements with the same distance to the right belong to the same block of code. If a block has to be more deeply nested, it is simply indented further to the right. You can understand this by another example. J is equal to 1 while in parenthesis j less than equal to 5 colon sign print j is equal to j plus 1. Here there is an indentation while and print j is equal to j plus 1. To indicate a block of code in the Python, you must indent each line of the block by the same white space. Thus, in the simple way, you can see and read from here, but in the simple way I would like to tell you, indentations are used to make the grouping in the Python, and indentations are put by pressing the white space button that is on the keyboard. Thus in the Python, to make a group of statement, to make compound statement, indentations are used, and indentations are put by pressing the white space button that is available on the keyboard. Now let us see the example of compound statements. The example of compound statements are: first, if statement, that is also known as selection statement; second, while statement; and for statements, that is also known as looping statements. These statements are also known as flow control statements. In the Python, if, for, while, these statements are also known as flow control statements. Now let us see the flow control statement. A program control flow is the order in which the program's code executes. The flow control of a Python program is regulated by the conditional statements, loops, and function calls. One point is very important for you, and that is the control flow of a program. In any program, control flow is regulated, implemented by the conditional statements, loops, and function call. In this way, a control statement is a statement that determines whether other statements will be executed or not. If executed, then how many times it would be executed. For example, if decides whether to execute another statement or not, and loop decides how many times to execute another statements. Now let us see the selection statement in the Python. Selection statements are also known as decision making statements or branching statements. In Python, we called selection statements by different names such as decision making statements and branching statements. The selection statements are used to select a part of the program to be executed that is based on the condition. It means, first point, at which place we can use the selection statement. We can use the selection statement where we have to take any decision. If there is a problem whose nature depends on the certain condition, then we will use the if statement there. Python provides the following selection statements. First, if statement, if else statement, if elif statement. Now let us see if statement. In Python, we use if statement to test a condition and decide the execution of a block of a statement. The if statement checks given condition, then decides the execution of block of statement. If condition is true, then block of statement is executed, and if condition is false, then block of statement is ignored. How do we write the if statement? Syntax to write the if statement is if, then conditional expression, colon sign, put indentation, statement 1, statement 2, statement 3, dot dot dot, how many statements that you want to write. Be careful, there is no any symbol between the if and conditional expression. I will explain you with the example. Example is given below. Before giving an example, look the how execution flow of if statement, how flow of control happens inside the if statement. First, text expression. This is also known as the diagram that illustrates the execution of the program that contains the if statement. Flow diagram, it is also known as flow diagram of if statement. If the flow diagram decides how the statements are executed in program when if statement is implemented inside it. First, we will put the if statement with text condition. If condition is true, then body of if will be executed. If condition is false, then program control ignores the body of if and goes to the next statement. Now let us see. When we define an if statement, the block of statements must be specified using the indentation only. Be careful. As well as you use the if statement inside the program, then block of statement must be specified, and blocking is done by using the indentation I have told you. The indentation is a series of white spaces, you know very well. Now let us see the example. If a is equal to 5, a is equal to 5, now let us put the condition if a greater than 4 colon sign. See, remember the syntax of if statement. What is the syntax of statement? If angle bracket, conditional expression, angle bracket closed, colon sign. Angle bracket is optional. No need to put the angle bracket while writing the program. While writing the if statement inside the program, it is optional. So put here, look here, a is equal to 5, if a greater than 4 colon sign. Here indentation must be careful, put the indentation. In the example, indentation is missing, you need to put the indentation. Here indentation is missing, I am telling you again, you need to put the indentation. Yes, I am corrected the code. A is equal to 5 if a greater than 4 colon sign. Next statement, print within parenthesis inside the double inverted comma as 5 is more than 5. This is a message. 5 is more than 5 is a message. You can write any message. Here this message has illegal, not meaningful, but you can write any meaningful or unmeaningful message. But do practice to write the meaningful message. I am telling you here example of if statement. How do we put the indentation? How do we write the example? By using the if statement inside the program. Now next topic is if else statement in the Python. In Python, we use the if else statement to test a condition and pick the execution of a block of statement out of two blocks based on the condition result. In simply, I will tell you, if else statement is used if there are two options or more than two options in the problem and you have to choose any one in every condition. If condition is true, then some part of program is executed. If condition is false, then another part of program will be executed. If you have such kind of situation, such kind of scenario, then you will use if else statement. If else statement executes the some part of program, either condition is true or false, it doesn't matter. Now let us see the flow control diagram. Condition true, the block of if statement executed. Condition false, the block of another statement executed. After that, normal statements will be executed. Now let us see the syntax. If condition colon sign statement 1 2 3 dot 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 else statement 4 5 dot dot dot. In the above syntax, whenever the condition is true, the statement 1 2 and 3 gets executed, and if the condition is false, then the statement 4 and 5 gets executed. I will explain you with the example in the next video. Thank you.